Hi everyone, welcome to R Infotech. Today we are checking out this Dlink 8-port PoE switch, the budget-friendly way to power your security cameras or Wi-Fi access point or office phones. So I will show you exactly what you get in this box and how much power it can really deliver. The one big limitation you need to know about before buying this switch, whether you are setting up a home security system or a small office network, stick around to see if the switch is right for your needs. Most budget PoE switch skim on power, but this switch pack 90 watts total PoE, means it can run 8 PoE devices at once, like camera, phones or access points. So let's unbox it and see what is inside. This is what. So inside the box there is a manual book, which is it's a starting guide. So it's given the product details, and there is a switch with 8-port PoE and 2-port uplink. So you can use 8-port PoE devices, and this 2-port is for the uplink. So you can connect from without PoE, so you will not waste PoE port. So this one you can connect from the router to switch. Then if you have other switch or something, then the second port, uplink port, you can connect it to another switch. So the other 8 port, the PoE ports, you can connect the devices like camera or access point, if you have low network. If you have the internet connection lower than 100, maximum 100 MB only it will take, and it is coming with one power cable and one power adapter. This is the thing inside the box, and this device is a fanless and metal housing, so it is silent, there is no sound disturbance, and it stays cool and reliable even when running for 24/7. So why does this 90 watts is matter? Because most budget 8-port switch limit to 4 PoE devices, because you can connect like if you're connecting 6 camera, 6 into 12 watts, so 72 watts, then 2 into 9 watts telephone or access points you can connect. So but plug in with the 30 watts devices, like not for high power devices, like 30 watts PTZ cameras are coming 30 watts, or Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 access point. But that one, even Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, it's for the high speed internet. So this switch, the normal 10/100 will give maximum 100 MB only, so it will not give gigabyte speed. Not recommended for gigabyte network. So since it is only 10/100 Mbps, to avoid this, if you need fast file transfer or 4K streaming, then it's not good for you. And high power device, like I said, the PTZ camera or Wi-Fi camera, so Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7, this one, it's not good. The extra 2 non-PoE port let you connect to your router or another switch without wasting PoE power. So this is the main thing. So here I'm going to connect I'm going to remove the normal 5-port switch. So I'll be removing that from, then I will connect this, because there are some PoE devices like camera, tabs, like price checking machine, all this. So it's need only PoE power. So thank you for watching. So if you need more PoE devices per dollar, this Dlink switch is good for you. But if you need a speed or high power PoE plus speed, then spend extra for gigabyte. So would you trade speed for more PoE ports, or let's debate in the comments. And thank you for watching. So if you have any doubts or anything, you can comment. Thank you.